What if your soul isn't a ghost, but the power that makes you alive? That's the wild idea at the heart of Aristotle's On the Soul. Here's the hook. I'm going to unpack a 2,300-year-old theory of life in under 2 minutes. And it might change how you think about minds, bodies, and what it means to be alive. First, definitions. Aristotle says every living thing is a body plus soul. But soul for him isn't spooky. It's the form, the organization, that turns raw matter into a living being. Think of a smartphone. The hardware is matter. The operating system is like the soul. No OS, no phone. He breaks souls into levels. Plant soul, nutrition, growth, reproduction. Animal soul. All that, plus sensation, movement. Human soul. All that, plus reason. Thinking about universals, making judgments. This is called hylomorphism, matter plus form. Your eyes aren't little TVs. When you see a red apple, your senses take on the apple's form without the matter. You receive its red round as information. Perception leads to imagination, memory. Desire pulls you toward what seems good. Movement follows. Then there's intellect. Aristotle splits it into passive-active. The passive intellect receives ideas. It can be overwhelmed, forgetful, embodied. The active intellect lights things up, like a spark that makes understanding possible. He hints it might be separable, even immortal. But he leaves that mysterious. Big takeaway. The soul is not a separate thing trapped in you. It's the living organization of you. Lose the organization, lose the life. Different powers, same pattern, form, animates matter. Recap. Soul, cos, form. 3 levels. Plant, animal, human. Perception as taking form. Desire moves, intellect thinks, and life is matter arranged for activity. That's Aristotle's soul. Less ghost, more operating system.